Getting bored during a lockdown could be real torture, especially with people who are used to having hectic schedules. In this light, it is kind of important to keep busy so as not to feel the state of boredom, as it does kill happiness. The World Health Organization (WHO) has described the coronavirus as a pandemic and advised everyone to maintain some form of social distancing and also stay at home to avoid the spread of the virus. This period requires that you spend a lot of time at home, and if you have nothing to do, you might end up being bored and frustrated. So might want to try out new things, learn a new skill and so much more. We have made a list of activities that can help you get through this period till the pandemic is over. 1. Exercise. Provided you are prepared to put a little time and effort into your workout at home, it can be just as effective as a gym workout. At a time like this, the prospect of going into a gym is daunting, and therefore exercising in the comfort of their own home is much more appealing. Since you are likely to do a lot more of eating and sitting around, a lot of exercises may be crucial as you need to stay fit and healthy. 2. Learn something new. Because lockdown isn't a vacay, you should work at adding value to yourself at this time. Learn a new skill or add to your existing knowledge by taking a new course online. It won't hurt to try one of the many online or self-study options. Many are even free, so there's no excuse for not broadening your horizons. There are tons of online courses you can take from and get certification for at the end of your learning process. You can take lotion making courses and cosmetics formulation courses at naturalskincareschool.com. Remember, it's all about adding value to yourself while you can. 3. Watch movies. Of course, Netflix is the only thing popular than COVID-19 right now, and catching up with your favorite movies, series or soap operas wouldn't be a bad idea. When you're glued to watching an array of interesting movies, several hours would be passed just like that and you wouldn't know it. You can also subscribe to Skincare Queen TV YouTube channel to watch how formulators make different skincare products. Their soap-making entertainment videos are also very satisfying to watch. See link in description box below. But make sure to have some snacks handy by the side. 4. Read a book. When was the last time you read a book? Now is a good time to revive your reading culture, at least for leisure. It is often said that there is no better friend than a book. Truth is, a lot of us aren't book lovers, but since we're about killing boredom, you can try page-by-page reading on topics that interest you. The internet has also made ebooks available to us, therefore, it won't hurt to look out for books on topics that interest you. Besides, it is always good to gain knowledge, especially when you have nothing else to do. 5. Play games. It might have been years since you last played a video game. They can be addictive, but it is a great way to definitely kill time. When power fails, you can help yourself with other indoor games: Ludo board game, chess, Scrabble, your card games, etc. It is worthy to keep in mind that you do not start doing it all the time, every day. 6. Clean up. This period means that you get to spend more time at home, so you might as well do the needful. This is when you need to practice maximum hygiene as best as possible. Clean out every part of your room, your kitchen, your bathroom and toilets. 7. Meditate. Meditation is one of the most common ways to reduce stress. Many of us are not sold to the whole mind-body-spirit thing. When you meditate, it gives room for fresh ideas and rejuvenates your mind. You are better focused as your being is involved in mindfulness, and you are able to focus your mind on a particular object, thought, or activity, like starting a new business, improving your relationships and other positive things. 8. Take online classes. As we all know, schools are shut down due to this pandemic. This is a great opportunity to catch up on your schoolwork. There are so many online courses that can help get on track. If you are writing your final year project and you have deadlines to meet, this is an opportunity to finish. Remember to subscribe to the channel and click the notification icon for more natural health and wellness video.